What is deja vu? Is there significance to our names? Deja vu is feeling that you have been there before. Deja vu is when you feel you have met this person before. Of course you have been there before and you have met that person before, but not in this body. Therefore it looks deja vu. If it was in this body, you would just be called local memory. Deja vu is old memory, very often from past lives. Is there significance in our names? According to astrologers, they say the names are very significant. They connect with your Rashi. They connect with your ascendant planet on the chart. Can you imagine, just to understand this, I had to study all of astrology and knew how to draw up the charts. Then I found out charts are drawn differently in India, differently in the West, so I had to learn double. But the thing is that names have been connected with this. There was a colleague of mine, a friend of mine, we were both studying together. His name was also, first name was Ishwar. My name was Ishwar Puri, his name was Ishwar Sharma. We both appeared for the competitive examination. And we were walking on the street of Delhi and we saw an astrologer who did his astrology with a parrot. He had many cards in front of him and he would ask the parrot, pick up their Rashi. And if the Rashi matched our name, then we are going to be successful. So I went there and the parrot drew out the letter I. I passed the exam. The other man said, oh, I'm sorry, what about my turn? And the parrot picked up I again. He also passed. I said, does he pick up any other letter? Anyway, that is how they connect the name. I personally don't believe that there is much truth in our fortune depending upon the name that's been picked up. It's an astrological belief. It may be very partly true. But I have seen people whose charts were so good, life was not so good. There was a great astrologer long ago. His name was Bhrigu. Bhrigu did a lot of meditation and he was able to find out the truth about the lives of all the people born in the past, born at his time, and will be born in the future. He found people repeat the history of their old experiences, so experience can be recorded in advance for those people who will be born at a certain time, at a certain place, astrologically based on the position of the planets. So he prepared a whole list of papers. And he said, if you are born at that time, in that place, this is what will happen. Then he simplified it. If you happen to come across these pages, at any particular time, that page will be pulled out which is relevant to that time. This was called Bhrigu Samhita, and there are people still holding those pages. And I went to one of them, and he picked up the right page, not my date of birth or time of birth, but the time of my arrival there. And the page was very good, written very old handwriting on parchment or something. So it did look that it was old. But some people have had that experience, some have not. But Bhrigu got a curse from the gods, according to the story about him, that when he began to tell people's future, which are not supposed to be told in human life, he got a curse that when a person will come and see your paper, what has happened to him, you will be able to read in that paper. What's going to happen, partially true, partially false. Almost all my friends who've gone to Bhrigu, they say it's amazing how we can produce a paper telling exactly who we are, where we come from. Even United States people came to India and correct paper was produced about their family, United States. But the future was not followed, what this paper said. This is because of the curse. So it's not very useful to know only your past. Sometimes I feel knowing the past is very harmful for us because it brings memories of things we may not have done, which were too good, brings guilt to us. And guilt is a great detriment on the spiritual path, because guilt pulls us in the back, and therefore guilt relives the karma which we are trying to forget and move forward. Therefore, it's not good to look into the past. People even ask me, tell us a little bit about our past life. I can make any story, nobody's going to verify it. But I said, it will pull your attention to the past. It will make you relive many of the things which have already happened. Why recreate a karma you already paid by remembering it again? Think of the future. Think of what's going to happen in the future. Then leave guilt behind. Leave those things behind which come in the way of our spiritual progress. Our mind gets so occupied with these things that we suffer in meditation. So that is why I'm not now recommending too much. In spite of the fact I learned astrology, I read palm reading, I read all this, and I can tell you 100 stories of my experiences. But I'm not encouraging anybody to be too curious and inquisitive of the past. Some things of the past are those which you would not like. Everybody has those things in the past. So why relive that? Live in the future. That will be much better.